If you suspect that your Netflix account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your access. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password. If you cannot log in, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter the email address associated with your account and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Check your account activity. Once you have reset your password and logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for recent device streaming activity to review any unfamiliar devices or locations that have accessed your account. Step 4. Sign out of all devices. In the Accounts section, find the option to sign out of all devices. This will log out any unauthorized users and ensure that only you can access your account with the new password. Step 5. Update your security settings. After regaining access, consider enabling two-factor authentication if available. Additionally, review your account settings for any changes made, such as profile modifications or payment method updates. By following these steps, you can regain control of your Netflix account and enhance its security to prevent future unauthorized access. Always monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity.